It is estimated there are nearly 9,500 public defenders currently working across the entire United States. That's according to the job search engine Zippia, which uses data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the census, and also current job openings.
But not many of those lawyers are working here in Maine, and our state's public defender shortage could soon lead to the release of inmates and in some cases, the dismissal of criminal charges.
That is according to a recent ruling now by a Superior Court justice who says hundreds of Mainers are being denied their constitutional right to legal representation. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell has more.
So the court's order on Friday should have real meaningful impact for hundreds and hundreds of people in Maine.
ACLU of Maine legal director Carol Garvin says are going weeks, sometimes months without a lawyer. Superior Court Justice Michaela Murphy ruled this is a violation of their constitutional rights after the ACLU filed a lawsuit against the state.
The court ordered the defendants in our case to develop a plan for making sure that people who are accused of crimes and aren't able to afford a lawyer are provided a lawyer.
The defendants in this case include the Maine Commission on Public Defense Services. It's responsible for assigning lawyers for those who can't get their own. In addition to developing a plan, Justice Murphy says starting in April, defendants who have waited more than 2 weeks for a lawyer must be released from jail. Charges, except for murder, will be dismissed if a defendant has waited more than 2 months for legal representation. However, those charges can be refiled once an attorney is available.
The primary solution here is for the defendants to follow the Constitution.
An attorney who knows this crisis firsthand says he doubts the commission will be able to suddenly solve the problem, and it's likely people will be released from jail or have their charges dropped.
So I think that this remedy is going to come into effect on some number of cases. How many, I'm not sure.
Defense attorney Robert Ruffner says the shortage of public defenders is a result of underfunding combined with decisions made by prosecutors about the severity of charges they pursue.
If the state of Maine doesn't use this as a wake-up call, then we're not really going to see any long-term benefit from it.
Judge Murphy has scheduled a hearing for April 7th to decide next steps. In Portland, Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.
We also did reach out to the Maine Commission on Public Defense Services for a comment, but our request was denied.